Let's make Rasta Pasta. Okay, so first things first, you're going to go ahead and boil your noodles. And while that's boiling, I went ahead and seasoned my chicken. I will put in the description everything I seasoned with because I forgot to show y'all that process. While that's doing its thing, you're going to bring some oil and butter to a pan. And then we're going to get ready to put our chicken right into the skillet to let it sear on one side. And that is my chicken. It's going to be good. And it's searing on one side. And while it's searing, you're going to go ahead and drain those noodles. They should be done. Ooh, look how good that look. The noodles should be done in like 11 to 12 minutes, depending on your preference. So we're going to drain the pasta. And then after I drain the pasta, your chicken should be ready to flip and then cook on the other side. Y'all just listen for a second. I just love the sound of the sizzling chicken. But I'm going to flip it and do the other side. And I don't know how long that took. But you wanted to have that nice golden look to it. I just know that's going to be good. Okay, so when that's done, we're going to move that to the side and we're going to get ready for our next meat of choice. So I decided that I was going to add some shrimp into the mix just to give it a little extra flair. And the same rules apply. You're going to cook it on one side and then flip it. Everything I used on the chicken for seasoning, I used on the shrimp as well. After removing the shrimp from the skillet, you want to go right in with some butter and then add your vegetables. I use bell peppers and some onions. A nice little blend. And then you're going to let that saute for a few minutes. Let it really simmer. And after that's simmered, you're going to go right in with your whole cream. Add that to the mix. Now the recipe calls for a whole, like 1 bottle of the whole cream. That's a half. That's why y'all see me shaking it like that. I'm not finna, groceries is high, so judge your mama. I wasn't finna waste not one drop. But after you add your whole milk, you know it's time to season again. So this is me actually remembering to show you guys everything that I seasoned with. All right, so we're going to give that a good stir and let that heat really get into it. Let it hit it. And then we're going to go in with our cheese. I chose this Parmesan and Mozzarella cheese blend. Looking back, I don't know if that was the right decision because that mozzarella was really fighting me. If y'all have any suggestions on what other cheese I could use besides Parmesan, because I like stuff cheesy. But after you add your cheese, I went in with some cream cheese as well because I wanted to be really creamy. You see the mozzarella in the back fighting? But we're going to go in with the cream cheese. I let the ancestors tell me how much to add. I added a little bit at a time just to see how I would like it myself. Okay, so you add more cream cheese in and then I'm going to stir it again. And then I'm going to add my pasta in. Once I added my pasta, I stirred it up, to let all that creaminess soak up into my noodles. And then I added some more cheese because, like I said, I love cheese. I want it to be nice and creamy and cheesy. After it gets to its desired consistency, you go ahead and add in all your meats again and you stir it all in. And just look at how good that looks. I'm getting hungry all over again just watching. Ooh, yes. I had to stop and taste. But it was very, very good. And of course, I had to go in with some more seasoning. I love paprika and, of course, parsley. It ain't over till you add the parsley on top. And boom, Rasta Pasta.